So this talk was, maybe for people earlier in their career, maybe students to maybe 5-6 years, and they want to go into fixed income. But also, if you're making a transition later in your career and you want to pivot to fixed income, these are the skill sets that fixed income firms look for. So not too different from equity firms, but Bloomberg, obviously, I don't know any investment shop that doesn't use Bloomberg. So knowing Bloomberg is obviously versatile, pulling up all investments in Bloomberg, and then utilizing that with Excel, right? What they call API, where you pull in the Bloomberg data straight into Excel to be more efficient. So that dovetails right well into Excel. We spend most of the day on Excel. A lot of models for companies are in Excel. A lot of analysis we do is in Excel. Obviously, just knowing your way around Excel, but maybe more advanced into pivot tables and charting, and maybe far more advanced some macros to help make tedious tasks easier. So VBA language is helpful. So Bloomberg and Excel I've seen at every single shop. Working with other places, you'll hear of other things like Charles River, BlackRock Aladdin, which is a risk system, and so forth. Those are going to change company to company, but as far as hard skills go, Bloomberg and Excel are going to be your number one thing. I don't know any shop that doesn't use those two tools. Some of the softer skills for being in the investment team, there's the working, and I've worked in various roles before the investment team. Working within the investment team when a portfolio manager, or if we're looking at a trade, asks me of something, or it's of that minute, of that 2 minutes, let's say. Work is not due at the end of the week or at the end of the day. There might be a trade on the line, and my portfolio manager wants me to go buy out 5 million of these bonds. That needs to be done that moment, right? The market's moving. Or a portfolio manager asks me, hey, how much technology exposure do we have across our high yield strategies? Well, I better give them that answer, and quickly and accurately. So attention to detail and accuracy is very important.